Welcome to our video series on the ASV scanning and attestation process. For those of you that use a PCI, approved scanning vendor, that uses one of Saint's products for its ASV service, one of the key requirements for submitting scans for attestation and completing your report submissions is providing contact information about your company. This information is required to be included in all the reports you submit for your attestation. Prior to running and submitting scans, ensure you complete the identity page. This can be done from one of two places within Saint. The plus sign at the top right, you can select the PCI identity option. Under reports, you can see the same option. For the purpose of this illustration, we'll use the report option. We can create our identity. Just select the create option button when you're completed. And that's all that's required. Just remember to keep this information up to date if any changes in your organization occur, such as contact information, phone number, those type of things, because that information will go into the attestation reports that the ASV submits back to you. So just want to make sure that that information is up to date. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.